Well, good morning, everybody. I catch myself saying more and more often, it seems lately, I say, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why. You know, I get some plan in my head and I just throw it out the door. We got set up here and, you know, got busy doing some things and I'm thinking, I got to be dinner time before I knew it, and why not just stay, right? So we did. Out walking Bella a little bit this morning, trying to avoid those dang goat heads that get her. We've been pretty lucky. She's gotten one or two between yesterday and today, or this morning. So it doesn't seem as bad up in this part of the park as it did on that lower stretch down by the road. That was just awful. It is probably as bad in here. We've been kind of staying on the gravel and the road there, but we're all unplugged this morning. I've had my share of coffee. I think I'll be good for a while, but we're all plugged, got things put away. I think we're ready to hit the road again, get over towards try to get the whole way through the Texas Panhandle, right through Amarillo, Texas, yeah, and beyond. So I think we're 22 miles from the Texas state line. So yeah, we got a little ways to try to get a little ways on down the road today. Bella. All right, we're just about warmed up here. Bella, you ready to go? She always waits till I put it in gear, and she'll be here in a flash. Watch this. All right, girl, let's get out of here. Onward, westerly. Yeah, this is a really nice park, and it's probably one of the few places that still have the the honor system. Right over there's the pay thing, envelopes in there, and the red things, the drop box, whatever. But yeah, it's a big park. They have tennis courts over there, and a children's play area, a little playground, a swimming pool over in there. And look at this, they have a mini golf over here with the old big boy. It's quite a park. Big pavilion over here.
Take the next right.
Okay. Yep, pretty dang nice park. But just get rid of them goat heads. Alright, away we go.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto I-40 Business Loop West.
And there's a nice creek, I guess, that runs all through here. Yeah, nice water fountain over there. Another big play area. That's a beautiful place. Alright, let's see if we can catch the sign this time. Here it is. Finally. Welcome to Texas. Yeah, even the GPS said so. Welcome to Texas. It's another day of let's get some miles in, see where we end up at. Rinse and repeat. We just stopped here in Texas to get some gas at Garrison's convenience store. It's $2.59 a gallon. Nice little older convenience store. And I forgot, I've been here before. They have a little RV park way there in the back. I forgot all about that place. It's really not on the map.
Quarter mile, turn left toward Farm to Market Road 3143 East.
What? Left? What are you talking about? That's crazy. No, that's not the right way. Google's not right about that. Better not be. I'm thinking I'm right.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Texas 273 North Farm to Market Road, Road 2695.
Anyway, some of these places have, some of these little towns and stuff have, you know, some RV accommodations, and they're just not always on the map and they're not always on the apps.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Texas 273 North Farm to Market Road, Road 2695.
Why does it want me to go every which way but straight? Now it wants me to go hang a right, go down to Business 40. The on-ramp is right here. Am I missing something? 40 West, like you can go straight or right, according to that sign. I don't know.
In 1,000 feet, continue straight.
And right here it is. I don't know what that was all about.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
They wanted me to get on the road quite a ways and like take the next on-ramp. Well, there hasn't been a lot to see. There's been many, many, many miles of just this. Same. So Texas Panhandle is, you know, pretty featureless, I guess. Not a lot of what I'd call scenic. So we're gonna get out here a little further. I think things will start changing once we get into New Mexico. Well into New Mexico. I don't know how much further it is. Wait a minute. Here comes a sign. Here comes the sign. I don't know. Well, Albuquerque is 233 miles, so. But that's pretty far. That's like halfway into New Mexico. All right, we'll be back. Hey, look, there's a hill. It's got some trees on it. Huh? Look at that. Huh. There we go. A little better look. A hill. It's got some trees on it. And there's some other hills out in the distance. Maybe things will start changing slowly. It's a gradual change of scenery to make this long trip. Well, there is the big sign right there. Welcome to New Mexico, land of enchantment. All right, right down in there is the welcome center. I don't think we're not gonna bother this time. We keep on going for a bit more. Yeah, not a lot of features here. We made a quick stop at Love's. That's probably the cheapest gas we're going to find for a while. There's another bit of a mountain with a bunch of cell towers on top. We're going to go for a while yet today. We've been on the road for quite a while now. The sun has gotten much lower in the sky. I did not think we were going to make it to Albuquerque, New Mexico today. That was an extra stretch I didn't think we were going to do, but we're closing in on Albuquerque. I think it's 38 miles away. About 37 minutes and 38 miles. So this is probably the biggest day since, probably the strongest day since our first day on the road. I'm gonna guess 400, probably 400 miles, maybe a little bit. I won't know till we stop, till we get up here and stop. I think it's gonna be a Cracker Barrel night after this day. Probably not gonna feel like cooking. Just order something and, you know, no mess, throw the mess away. Yeah, Albuquerque. This isn't exactly downtown. Why did I want to say Las Cruces? This isn't exactly downtown Albuquerque, but it's busy enough for me. What time is it here? Oh, we went through another time zone. So, let's see, it's 6:30 here. 8:30 back home. Yeah, we're 2 hours difference now, I think. Alright. Yeah, Cracker Barrel's over here to the left. I think a barrel burger might be in order for tonight.